Hello everyone, I'm Chef Tom. Today I'm going to show you how to cook assembly a hot warm noodle soup. It could be ramen noodle soup, rice noodle soup, any kind of noodle soup. Here we go. Basically, we have some Chinese green vegetable, 2 eggs, lightly cooked for 5 to 6 minutes. If you have a piece of beautiful grilled chicken or beef or shrimp, some green onion, I'm using this fresh noodle. If you have ramen noodle, that's great. Some sesame seed. This is the most important ingredient, is your stock. This is the pork bone stock. Very simple. Get a couple pounds of the pork bones and you just cook it simmer for 1 hour, and this is what they look like. Or you can use chicken stock, no problem. Let me show you. You get a pot of cold water and put the 2 eggs in, or 4 eggs in, or 6 eggs, however amount eggs you like to have. And let this water bring up to a boil. Once the water bring up to a boil, you're gonna add your noodle in. Cook according to the instructions say. Get this one. If I start the egg with the cold water, it'll probably be like 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, I take it out. You don't need to rinse the cold water or anything else at home. Make it nice and simple. This noodle told me to cook for 10 minutes. Okay. Take the egg out. I think the noodle is about done too. I want al dente. I don't want it too soft. Okay, noodle's done too. Let's take it out. I got a colander here. I think ramen noodle only cook for like a couple minutes, not that long. Okay, now I'm just going to blanch this vegetable real quick. Won't take long. Just like that. Once the color change to translucent, you take it out. Like that. Okay? And now, almost done. We're going to cook the broth that I make in advance. I make a big pot, like couple gallons. Stock in, it will warm up the chicken. Also, we got the egg. Put it right in here. Okay. And then, I believe the stock is boiling. Nicely hot. Just gently pour over. Just enough to cover up the soup. And then, if you like some soy sauce, you add some soy sauce. Get them flavor. Soy sauce is flavor for the soup. Right? And then sesame oil, a little bit, like that. And give them a quick stir like that. Let all the sauce and everything merge in. So if this is for your friend, you make it nice and pretty. And then we're gonna chop some green onion. Very fine, small chop green onion. Okay. And you can put it on the side here. It's okay, like that. And some sesame seed. I happen to have 2 different kinds of sesame seed. Like that. And the white. If you like hot sauce, you can add some hot sauce too. And I might have some garnish here, just make it nice and pretty, you know? Just make it nice and pretty. There's a pickle, carrot, turnip, and cilantro. Here's your warm chicken noodle soup.